Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. In today's lifestyle, yoga is very important. By regular yoga practice, a person becomes physically and mentally healthy. You can get highest advantages of yoga if you do it at the right time. But can you do yoga in the noon? Can you do yoga after a meal? What are the benefits of doing yoga in the evening? What is the best time to do meditation and pranayam? And what are the benefits of doing yoga in the morning? Today, we'll talk about the best time to do yoga, meditation, pranayam, breathing, and benefits of doing yoga in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Yoga evolved in tropical climates in India. Hence, many people recommend doing yoga practices before 8:30 in the morning or after 4 or 4:30 in the evening. In the Vedic science, the day has been divided into 4 parts: Brahma Muhurat, sunrise, afternoon, and sunset. The best time to practice yoga is at 5 am to 7 am in the morning. If you are unable to do it early in the morning, then try to practice yoga at any time before 8 o'clock. There is a scientific reason behind this. We sleep well overnight. Our stomach is empty in the morning. Our dinner is digested. And most importantly, there are no thoughts in your mind that will distract you. Under these conditions, you are able to focus on your yoga practice. One more advantage of morning yoga is that you can practice any yoga, mudra, asana, pranayam, and meditation in the morning.
In the morning, our body works to remove the toxins inside of our body. By doing yoga and pranayam, we can remove toxins in a large amount. By the end of the day, your body is very tired and sleepy. So avoid practicing very tough yoga poses in the evening and late evening. But you can practice a beginner's yoga in the evening. In the late evening, just before going to bed, you can try some gentle yoga practices, but nothing too extreme at this time. Yoga poses like legs up the wall pose, forward folds, and supine twists, etc. can prepare your body and mind perfectly for sleep. Vajra asana is the only yoga asana which you can practice immediately after your meal or any time during the day.
Pranayam is a breathing technique in which we work on our breath. The morning time is the best time for pranayam. Air is clean in the morning as compared to noon and evening. So, if we do pranayam in the morning, then we will get the maximum benefit of pure oxygen.
You can do pranayam exercises such as Anulom, Vilom, Bhramari, etc. even after 1 to 2 hours of eating. But pranayam like Kapalbharti and Bahya pranayam should be practiced only after 4 to 5 hours after eating.
Meditation is the simplest form of yoga, but as simple it is, the harder it is to practice. To meditate, we have to focus our mind on our breaths. Meditation is a mental exercise, so you can do it at any time during the day. It can also be done immediately after the meal, as it does not require any physical force. But it is recommended to practice meditation early in the morning because the atmosphere is calm in the morning, which will help you to focus.
The best time to meditate is just after pranayam. By pranayam, we remove all the negative energies and toxins from our body, which distracts our mind. It is very helpful in meditation because after pranayam there is no negative energy and thoughts left in our mind. Yoga Nidra is also a type of meditation which can be practiced any time during the day. By working throughout the day, our mind and body muscles are exhausted. There are some yoga and pranayam practices which help to boost up our body and mind. It helps us in better sleep after a busy day, which is an important aspect of our life.
Yoga should never be practiced during the afternoon. The reason is very simple. We have already eaten 1 or 2 meals and afternoon is considered good for the digestion process. If you do yoga during the afternoon, it can spoil your digestion, and disturbed digestion process can store unwanted foods in our stomach.
Never do yoga after meal. When we do yoga, the flow of blood in our body starts to accelerate. So always practice yoga with the empty stomach. On the other hand, our stomach needs blood to digest the food. Now, if we practice yoga after the meal, then blood will start flowing in our whole body. As a result, our food will not be digested properly.
The only time to really avoid practicing yoga is immediately after meal times. Try to allow at least 2 hours after eating before your practice, as our body needs its energy for digestion at this time. Do not practice yoga in direct sunlight or after sunbathing. Outdoors is okay, but avoid cold wind and insects.
Whenever you choose to practice yoga, remember to hold it as a sacred time to benefit your body. It is best to have fresh air in a quiet and clean place that suits the concentration and awareness yoga will create. Asanas are best practiced first in your yoga routine, followed by breathing and then meditation. Pranayam may be practiced at any time of the day except within 2 to 3 hours after meals. Yoga Nidra can be done at any time of the day, even directly after meals, so long as you do not fall asleep in the practice. Don't do Yoga Nidra when you feel tired or sleepy. Throughout the yoga practices, try to keep your awareness on what you are doing. Don't be concerned with others in the class or outside the room. Wear loose, comfortable yoga clothing so there is no restriction around the limbs. Remove spectacles, watches, or any cumbersome jewelry or ornaments and keep besides you in a yoga pouch. Proceed slowly and carefully. Follow the instructions exactly.
In simplest terms, the best time to do yoga is the time that works best for you. You need to find the routine that fits your lifestyle and works with your schedule.
It doesn't even matter if you do yoga at different times on different days of the week, as long as you find a routine that is maintainable. Let yoga fit into your schedule instead of trying to work your schedule around yoga. More will be gained when you are awake and relaxed. Morning or evening is the most practical for working people.
Always breathe through the nose, both in and out, unless specified otherwise. Remember, nose for breathing and mouth for eating. Never force or strain. Relax briefly between each practice. Remember the golden rule. If it's uncomfortable, then don't. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.